This tyre was on a motorhome and it failed because it was too old. Follow me and I'll show you how it's probably happened. Tyres have anti-aging chemicals in them that are spread throughout, like when this water and oil are mixed together. Think of the water as the anti-aging chemicals. When the tyres aren't used, the chemicals cannot be properly distributed, moving away from the surface just like the water's doing here and resulting in premature aging. With less protection from aging, tyres' sidewalls can be particularly vulnerable to the UV light from the sun. This can cause sidewalls to become stiff, brittle and unable to withstand the stresses of everyday driving. It can be a particular problem with motorhomes and caravans because they tend to spend long periods not being driven. To know if your tyres might be aging, first, find out how old they are. You do this by looking for this box on the tyre's sidewall. It comes after the letters DOT and it tells you when your tyre was made. The first two digits are the week of the year, the second two, the year. So this tyre rolled off the production line in the 48th week of 2014. If the tyre is more than between 5 and 10 years old, it could be coming to the end of its life, no matter how much tread it has left on it. You can tell if age is catching up with the tyre through cracks like these on the sidewall. How do you protect tyres from aging? First of all, inflate them to the correct air pressure. As I've said, the sun's UV light can cause particular damage, so protective covers can help when the motorhome is parked up. And if possible, drive the vehicle every couple of weeks. But before you set off, mark the area on the tyre that's touching the ground with a piece of chalk so that you can avoid parking on that part of the tyre again. Doing that should stop flat spots forming.